visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find this video, the message is also meant to find you. Now let's check kung ano po mangyayari sa paligid. With the Lovers, I love the first card, the Eight of Swords, and the Strength card. So napapansin natin na someone is in love, but then again, also controlling this emotion because meron siyang pinoprotektahan. It might be, I'm protecting my reputation. It might be protecting myself because if I'm going to say it, this might be gonna be used against me. Reputation. So, pwede din itong LGBTQIA+, no? Na reading. Because this might be not pasok dun sa society norm. Pwede rin sobrang layo ng age gap, no? So, baka kasi mapag-usapan. So, kahit meron nararamdaman, parang inililihim. Or, pwede rin itong meron kayo na, pero hindi lang pinapublicize. Parang ganon. So, tingnan natin yung mga cards kasi because with the Eight of Swords, nandito yung things are being isolated. Baka kasi nagkikita lang kayo sa isang lugar, no? Bahala kayo kung saan yung lugar na yon. So with the Eight of Swords, the Ace of Cups, and the Fool card. So pwedeng bago lang din itong relationship na ito. With the Ace of Cups, meron din ditong emotions na sobrang overwhelming. Things are overflowing nga kasi things are overflowing. Napapansin din natin na may mga pagkakataon ditong sabihin nating someone is just braving themselves, no? Parang sinubukan ko lang. But then again, here we are, parang try lang, and then eto na yung emotion, no? Parang I just tried it, but I like it, no? Parang yung kanta ni Miss Katy Perry, I kissed the girl, and I like it. Yan. With the Five of Cups and the Three of Wands. Meron ditong nakakahinayang lang bakit hindi ko kasi ito ginawa before, or bakit ngayon ko lang ito trinay, or bakit ngayon lang ako pumayag, no? So, pwedeng kayong dalawa ay matagal na magkakilala, kinukulit lang, or talagang meron naman, no, na somewhat banters of sweet nothings, but then again, hindi pa dumating dun sa point na nagkaroon ng commitment, katulad nito. So, yung isa, parang ang tagal trinabaho. So, ngayon, okay na. Yun nga lang, hindi naman siya pwedeng i-public. So, with the Five of Cups, clarified with the Moon card, and the Queen of Cups. So parang sinabi dito, ito bang love na to? Hanggang dito na lang yung laging patago. Kasi someone is with the Strength card, about to say it, about to admit it in public probably, or probably ipakilala na sa friends or families. So someone is already talking to the other person. I might, parang okay ba? I-publicize na natin or hindi naman yung super i-announce, no? Yung parang kahit sa family lang, no? Or sa friends, let our friends know. Parang isa medyo hesitant pa. With the Tower, the King of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. So parang sabi dito nung isa, not yet time. So yung isa, I am ready, no? So you're not even on the same boat. Your thoughts are not even on the same address. I feel like kapag may pinilit dito yung isa, lalo na wanting to publicize or announce it, there might gonna be a problem. So I think it's time, or I think it's much more beneficial to wait a little more and keep it kung ayaw nyo lang magkaroon ng problema. And kung ready ka naman magkaroon ng issues, then by all means, go ahead. The Tower card showed up. Now, the Tower is clarified with the Seven of Wands and the Seven of Cups. So, pwedeng ganito naman ang maging setup, no? Instead of, kunyari ako, yung gustong-gusto kong i-announce na itong relationship natin. Instead of me doing it, why won't I give this task to you? No? I'm going to let you do the job. Kasi nakakita naman tayo na pwede naman gumawa si person ng way, paunti-unti, no? Yung madahan, yung banayad, yung okay sa'yo, yung okay sa kanyang way, yung okay sa kanyang pace. Yun ang siguro ang pinakamagandang solusyon dito if someone cannot suppress the feelings anymore. Kasi we cannot step into someone else's boundary, di ba? Nasa pag-uusap yan. So this is your reading. Now let's check the zodiac sign of the person. Pero bago yan, I want you to know that this is a general, ito po kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Mag-comment kayo, no? Sa comment section. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign. I'm seeing Scorpio, Leo, Aries. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus. Yeah, Leo showed up again. Pisces, Aries, Leo, Cancer, Gemini. Cancer uli. Libra. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the